Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Igloo Cooler Replacement Parts is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked aspects of keeping your trusty Igloo Cooler performing at its peak, ensuring your adventures stay cool and your refreshments remain perfectly chilled, no matter where your journey takes you, from backyard barbecues to remote camping trips, making it a vital investment for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 5. Igloo Replacement Threaded Drain Plug. Is your Igloo Cooler's drain plug leaking? Don't let a small problem ruin your next outing. We have the perfect replacement part for you. This assembly includes everything you need to fix your drain. It comes with the main body, a tethered cap with a secure closure, a rubber gasket, a plastic washer, and a plastic nut. It's designed to fit Igloo coolers with a specific drain plug hole size. Please ensure your cooler has an approximately 1-inch outer diameter hole and a cooler wall thickness of about 1 to 1/16 inches. The threaded cap seals tightly to prevent any unwanted leaks. Plus, the attached tether helps ensure you won't lose the cap. Before purchasing, it's crucial to double-check your cooler's drain plug hole size and wall thickness. This isn't a one-size-fits-all part, as different sizes are available. What we like. This replacement drain plug features a threaded cap that seals tightly to prevent leaks. The attached tether ensures you won't lose the cap. If you have an Igloo cooler with a specific drain plug size and are tired of leaks, this is the perfect solution for a secure and reliable seal. What people say. The replacement lid fit perfectly on my Igloo cooler. The drain plug was easy to install and stopped the leaking. The handles are sturdy and make carrying the cooler much easier. Number 4. Igloo Cooler Plastic Latch, 2-pack. Keep your Igloo cooler in top condition with these genuine replacement latches. They are designed to fit perfectly and ensure your cooler stays securely closed. These latches are built to last, featuring a beveled edge to deflect impacts and reduce breakage. The integrated design and guided post make installation a breeze. Made in the USA, these latches contain UV inhibitors to protect them from sun damage. This ensures they will withstand the elements and last for many adventures. Designed to fit Igloo coolers from 50 to 165 quarts, these latches secure with a simple single-screw post. They are engineered to rest close to the cooler when unlatched, minimizing the risk of damage. Each pack includes 2 latches, each with a pre-snapped single-screw button post. You'll also receive 6 stainless steel screws for a complete and easy replacement. What we like. These latches are designed to minimize breakage with a beveled edge that deflects impact. If you frequently break your cooler latches and are looking for a durable, easy-to-install replacement that fits most Igloo coolers secured by a single screw, these are an excellent choice. What people say. New latch fits in same screw holes as original old latch for a 25-plus-year-old, large Igloo cooler. New design is a straight latch. Old design was a folded hinge latch. Old post had 2 screws. New latch has a single screw in the center of the post. These are exactly like the original. They are easy to install and fit perfectly. Latch worked great with my existing latch post. So I didn't need to replace the post. Number 3. Igloo Heavy Duty Cooler Hinges. Give your Igloo cooler a serious upgrade with these heavy-duty stainless steel hinges. They are designed for maximum performance and built to last. Crafted from robust stainless steel, these hinges offer exceptional durability, especially in harsh marine environments. They are also easy to clean and require minimal maintenance. This set includes 3 stainless steel hinges and 12 screws for a straightforward installation. You'll have your cooler reinforced in no time. They are compatible with most Igloo rectangular ice chests up to 165 QD. Enjoy enhanced functionality and longevity for your existing cooler. Please note that these hinges are not compatible with thermoelectric, metal chest, BMX, roto-molded, or sportsman models. Also, they do not fit 150 to 165 QD models requiring specific oversized black plastic hinges. What we like. Upgrade your ice chest with these heavy-duty stainless steel hinges built for maximum performance and longevity, especially in marine environments. If you need robust, durable hinges that are easy to clean and maintain for your compatible Igloo cooler, these are the ideal choice for lasting performance. What people say. The Igloo Cooler Replacement Parts are a perfect fit for my old cooler, restoring its functionality. These replacement parts are durable and well-made, ensuring a long lifespan for my Igloo cooler. The design of the replacement parts is excellent, making them easy to install and use. Number 2. Igloo Cooler Drain Plug Cap White Small. Introducing the Igloo Cooler Drain Plug Cap. This small white cap is designed to fit threaded drain plugs on coolers 50 quarts and larger. Its threaded design creates a tight seal, effectively preventing any unwanted leaks from your cooler. The integrated tether is a smart feature that helps ensure you never misplace the cap. Installation is a breeze. It easily attaches to your existing drain plug without any hassle. This cap offers a durable and convenient solution for maintaining your Igloo cooler's performance. What we like. This replacement cap and tether is designed to fit Igloo threaded drain plugs on larger coolers, ensuring a leak-proof seal and preventing cap loss. If you have a compatible Igloo cooler and just need to replace the cap and tether for your existing drain plug, this offers a simple and effective solution. What people say. These replacements are robust, rugged, and a perfect fit. The heavy gauge of the plastic and thick washer take our cooler back to OEM performance. These worked perfectly in my older Igloo cooler from 2003. The heavy gauge of the plastic and thick washer take our cooler back to OEM performance. Number 1. Igloo Cooler Plastic Parts Kit. Is your Igloo cooler's hardware worn out? We have the perfect replacement parts kit to get it back in top shape. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: 2 sturdy latches with pre-attached posts, 3 durable hinges, and 18 stainless steel screws. These parts are specifically designed to fit most Igloo ice chests ranging from 50 to 165 quarts. They feature the iconic Igloo logo for an authentic look. Crafted with UV inhibitors, these parts are protected from sun damage and are built to be rugged and durable, ensuring a long life for your cooler. Installation is a breeze, getting your cooler functional again in no time. Plus, you can feel good knowing they are made right here in the USA. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to refresh your cooler, including latches and hinges with UV inhibitors for sun protection. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one solution to replace multiple worn-out plastic parts on your Igloo cooler and want durable, USA-made components, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The replacement lid fits perfectly and seals tightly, keeping ice frozen for days. The drain plug is easy to use and doesn't leak, making it simple to empty the cooler. The handles are sturdy and comfortable to grip, even when the cooler is full. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.